So now the fifth one is narrating television and radio news stories. So when you completed your script for television and radio, so now it's a time for narration. So here we have some important elements and points that should be keep in mind when you are narrating television and radio news stories. So first one is position the microphone properly. Position the microphone 6 to 10 inches from your mouth and at 45-degree angle to the direct line of speech. This will help prevent blasting with the explosive letters. So always maintain the same distance from the microphone as you speak. So position the microphone is very important whenever you are narrating. So properly position your microphone. So next point is remove noise making distractions. So whenever you are voicing or narrating, so remove all paper clips, pens, other items that you would be tempted to play with as you read the story. So whenever you are narrating, so remove noise making distractions, all pens, accessories, etc. when you are narrating. So narrate the news story. When you hit the record button on the video camera or audio recorder, so wait approximately for 10 seconds. For example, when I am going to record an audio lecture or video lecture, so when I hit the button or record button, so when recording starts, so just wait for 10 to 15 seconds before speaking. Why? Because this prevents you from accidentally losing some of the narration if you hit record and start narrating the script immediately. It is a good idea to use standard reference openings such as the day, place and subject name. You may want to use a countdown. This also help your voice stabilize as you start. So the standard reference opening and countdown will be added out of the final story. So it is very important. So whenever you start recording, whether it is audio recording or video recording, or you are using audio recorder, so you just wait for 10 to 15 seconds. It is very important. Articulate words correctly, speak clearly. Do not run your words together. Whenever you are using words, so do not run your words together. Practice proper articulations. So it is very important to use speak clearly and articulate correct words. Think about what you are going to say. If something has a positive idea, put a smile in your voice by putting a smile on your face. It is very important. This help to project the personality of the story. So think the thought and think the thought through to the end. It is another part. Keep half an eye on the end of the sentence while you are reading the first part. Know how the sentence will come out before you start. This will help you to interpret the meaning of the phrases of the entire idea. Talk at a natural speed or a natural way, but change the rate occasionally to avoid sounding. So the speed that you talk is your speaking rate. Vary the pitch and the volume of your voice to get variety, emphasis and attentions. So pitch is a high and low sound of your voice, so you will sound more if you lower your pitch and inflect downward. However, avoid dropping your pitch when it sounds unnatural to do so. So talk as a natural sound or natural speed. Breathe properly. Control your breathing to take breath between units of thoughts, otherwise you will sound will be not so good. And sit up straight while narrating. This help your breathing. For example, I am recording a lecture, so my if I want to record a lecture, so I will sit up straight while narrating. So this will help to breathe. So use your body whenever you are recording, so you should relax your body. So relaxed body helps produce relaxed sound voice. So when your body is relaxed, your sound will be automatically relaxed. So do a few exercise before going to record or on air. So a little activity reduce tensions. listen to the final product. So when you recorded your product, for example, when you are writing, drafting, once you completed your writing and drafting, when your script is completed, after that when you record your program, when your final production is completed, so listen to your sound, listen to what you said as if you were an audience member, if you were an audience member. So it is important before going to on air program or news, you should listen your sounds. So time the story. At the end, be sure you time the story. If the story is going on air of a radio or television station, the story timing is very important, and in many cases need to be exact. Practice writing and narrating new stories to determine what your normal readings time is. So it is very important time the story whenever you are programming for radio or television. So you should give proper time to the story. It is very important element or very important attribute. Practice your narration skills. Never give up practicing speeches and deliver techniques. So read something loud at least twice a week for a practice. So when you are practicing a lot, so practice make man perfect. So practice your narration skills. So once you adopted this skills, so you will be successful and you will be a good narrator.